This quick tutorial is going to show you how you can get smooth gradients in Clip Studio Paint. This is something you'll need to do for more semi-realistic and realistic styles, so if that's something that you're interested in, keep watching. I'm going to be using my own brushes for this that I'm throwing up on my Gumroad shop for download with instructions on how to download them for free on the purchase page. You'll need to get both of these to get this look, so feel free to grab them. What I'm painting the base with isn't included, it's just a basic hard round with pressure opacity applied. You want to paint your shadows and lights with my main airbrush now. As you can see, it leaves some streaks on the edges, so I've included Clip's paint and apply brush with my custom edits to use as a mixer. Use this brush to blend out the streaks and you've got a smooth gradient. Switching to Photoshop, you can see this airbrush is the same main custom one I use in Photoshop to paint with. Since Photoshop handles smooth gradients better in general, I just use a regular airbrush with these mixer brush settings to blend the edges out. I already went over how to import brushes in Clip Studio Paint, so I'm not going to go over it again in this video. It took me a long time and a lot of experimenting in Clip Studio Paint over the years to get this look to work out. Enjoy the brushes and go make some awesome art. That's it for this video. Later.